Solo Leveling fans, the wait is over. Reawakening isn't just a movie, it's a jaw dropping edge of your seat ride that had me screaming, Jinwoo, calm down, bro. Today we're unpacking every epic moment, every secret detail, and those Easter eggs that'll make you go, wait, did I just see that? Buckle up, it's time for the ultimate breakdown. Did you already watch the movie or not? Comment below. Warning, watching this breakdown might cause uncontrollable urges to summon shadows. Don't say I didn't warn you. Then let's dive into the action, secrets, and hidden gems of the Solo Leveling. The movie kicks off with Jin Woo living his quiet life, or at least trying to. The problem? Peace doesn't last long when you're the freaking Shadow Monarch. A new threat emerges from the dimensional cracks, forcing Jin Woo back into action. But this time, the stakes are higher than ever. We're talking world ending catastrophes, alliances with unexpected characters, and plot twists that will melt your brain. It's like Jin Woo can't even enjoy a cup of coffee without some monarch deciding, hey, let's invade Earth today, poor guy. Hidden detail 1. Remember when we thought Jin Woo was done with the system? Well, surprise, the system isn't gone, it's evolved. Subtle hints in the movie suggest that it might be working on its own now. The way it guides Jin Woo feels eerily sentient. So basically, the system went from being his teacher to that annoying backseat gamer who thinks they know everything. Jin Woo dodge here, summon Biru there. Chill system, he's got this. Let's talk about new villains, monarchs of despair and decay. The movie introduces us to two terrifying new monarchs, the monarch of despair and the monarch of decay. These guys are on a mission to disrupt the balance of power, and they're not messing around. Hidden detail 2. The monarch of decay has ties to the dragon monarch, hinting at a bigger conspiracy. Fans speculate they're paving the way for the ultimate boss battle in season 2. Honestly, these monarchs are like that group of uninvited guests who crash your party and eat all the snacks. Nobody likes you, go home. Now then, let's talk about Jinwoo's new powers and summons. Let's talk power-ups. Jinwoo's Shadow Monarch powers reach insane new levels in this movie. From summoning larger-than-life beasts to manipulating shadows on a global scale, he's officially entered god-tier territory. Hidden detail 3. Did you catch the reference to his late father? A subtle flashback scene ties his powers to his father's sacrifice, adding an emotional layer to Jin Woo's strength. At this rate, Jin Woo could probably summon a shadow version of the Earth itself. Imagine Shadow Planet attack, Marvel take notes. Now then let's talk about fan favorite moments. Of course, we have to talk about the moments that had fans cheering in theaters. Number 1, Biru and Igris teaming up to destroy an entire army. Number 2, Jin Woo's one-liner to the Monarch of Despair. You're in my domain now. Chills, right? Number 3, the jaw-dropping ending. More on that in a second. Biru stealing the spotlight was hilarious. He's out here like my liege. I am the MVP of this movie. Don't forget it. Now then, let's talk about the mysterious ending. The movie ends with a cryptic scene. Jin Woo standing in front of an unknown figure cloaked in shadows. Who is this? Fans are debating whether it's another monarch, a ruler, or even a future version of Jin Woo himself. Solo Leveling writers love cliffhangers. It's like they want us to suffer until the next release. Mission accomplished, guys. What do you think? Is this a new ally, a secret enemy, or something entirely unexpected? Now then, let's talk about the future of Solo Leveling. Solo Leveling Reawakening sets the stage for an explosive continuation in season 2. With new enemies, evolving powers, and cryptic mysteries, the story is only getting started. And if the movie taught us anything, it's that Jin Woo's journey is far from over. If you're as hyped as I am for what's next, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives, breakdowns, and theories about solo leveling. Drop your wildest fan theories in the comments. I want to hear them all. And remember, always be nice to your shadow soldiers. You never know when they might save your life.